The fun of kids.
Push the button.
I loved it. You know, we used to go to sleep at night. Me and Nana all stood up, put all your Christmas out.
Dance, Jasmine. Dance, Jasmine. Oh, you gotta push the button again.
Push the button and then we'll dance.
Do it again, one more time. One more time.
I think we should get to work.
Well, wait, another time.
One more time?
No, one more time. It's got too many other things. Go ahead.
You have to dance alone.
Jasmine, dance.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Man, you got some black feet. Your feet look like your Aunt Brandy.
Now, back to the year Santa got lost.
Hey, you know what? There's little pictures on there, Kirsten, that show you which goes in which. On your toolbox.